I'm James Bargeboss, the Director of Finance Wise Global Securities, AFSL 397877. Thank you for tuning into this video. This afternoon we're going to talk about our very unique training course, our RG146. The reason why it's unique is, as far as I understand it, we're the only organisation that comes to you. Once we have 20 registrations, we arrange the appointments, get everyone together, and we facilitate you face to face. Our lead facilitator has 27 years of financial planning experience. He operates his own financial services licence. He has an accounting degree, a marketing degree, and a diploma of financial planning. That's right, it's me. So I'll be taking care of the facilitation on most occasions. The other thing that's important is our in-house assessments. We do our assessments in the room. There'll be no additional assignments. The course is intensive, it's instructive, and you will significantly benefit from it. So let's talk about the course structure. Day 1 begins bright and early at 8 AM with Topic 1, Introduction to SMSFs. Topic 2, SMSF Strategies in Practice. And Topic 3, to take us to morning tea, the Corporations Act and SMSFs. Prior to lunch we'll deal with the Trust Deed, and Topic 5, SMSFs and Australian super funds. After lunch we'll deal with the Sole Purpose Test. Topic 7, SMSF borrowing. After we've completed our 7th module, congratulations, we've made it to afternoon tea and there's only one to go. Our final topic for the day will be SMSF reserves. It's important that we mention at this stage that you would have completed 60% of your assessment. Now, I haven't mentioned it's only a 2-day course. Now, when we get to day 2, we'll be taking a slightly different tack. Let's have a look at the commencement of day 2. Day 2, once again, commences bright and early at 8 AM. 3 topics covered prior to morning tea. Firstly, investment strategies, in-house assets, and lending by SMSFs. Then we look at contribution rules and the preservation rules. So, we've now made it through to morning tea on day 2. From this point on, we're going to concentrate on what your practice will do at 9 AM on the 1st of July 2016. Our endeavour when we're putting this course together is to ensure it'll be just business as usual. There'll be no breaks, there'll be no breaches, and we're very confident that once you've completed this particular segment of the course, you won't be nervous when that client is observed in the waiting room at 9 AM that Friday morning. After morning tea, we take a different tack. What does 9 AM on July 1, 2016 look like? We look at accountants, options, and issues. We also take a journey through a unique software portal that should enable a transition from non-advice to advice space for accountants be relatively seamless. After lunch, 3 more topics. Taxation in the fund, superannuation benefits, SMSF estate planning. At the end of the day, we'll recap and ensure that all assessments are completed. So congratulations, you've managed to complete day 2. So after we've had some drinks and some canapés, what will happen next? Well, in addition to the course materials, we'll also supply you with a video for each individual module. So when you return to your home practices, if you need to catch up on anything that you might have missed, that's fine, you'll just be able to click onto the video. Now, importantly, if you think this presentation is a basic entry-level talk fest, you'll need to think again. The course is instructive and it's informative. And we've designed this with one thing in mind. Firstly, ASIC requires you to complete an RG146 program. We tick that box. Secondly, we've designed this course to ensure that your clients have a better experience when you're discussing SMSF with them. You'll leave with more knowledge, and importantly, you'll be able to drive revenue. But wait, there's more. As an added bonus, we've partnered with NowInfinity. NowInfinity is Australia's leading provider of service documents to the accounting profession. They supply facilities for thousands of accountants. Now, they've agreed to give all of our participants a free 6-month trial. Now, what does NowInfinity do? They have designed a unique engine which powers and generates many different documents involved with both SMSF and general accounting. I'm sure when you log on to their site, you'll appreciate just what a terrific gift that is. Thank you very much. So, I'm James Bargeboss, the Director of FinanceWire's Global Securities. This video has been all about our unique RG146 program.